the streets are busy. They always are when people going home at this time of the day, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
They're good. They saw us. They stopped.
I know they did. It just makes me nervous. Like I have I start when they come up like that.
Yeah.
I tense up.
Yes, we are. Very good.
The garden center, they got all the snow.
No, they don't have anything for sale at the garden center, not until spring has sprung.
Yes.
Sure wish your bank had a branch up here.
I wish they did too. It would be nice if they did. I love you.
Likewise.
I love you, Mark. I love the sound of the viola.
Yep. My Rogers organ actually has a wonderful string section on it.
Yeah. Who is that?
That is Celtic Woman.
Celtic Woman?
Yep.
Okay.
When it's raining out, the lane markers are not that easy to see, so I have to watch for that.
Yes. Such a beautiful voice.
Yep. The lead singer there is Chloe Agnew.
Pardon me?
Chloe Agnew is the
Chloe Agnew?
Yep. She's the lead singer there that you're hearing.
Beautiful
Yeah, she
voice.
studied voice at the Paris Music Conservatory.
Oh, yeah.
Which is incredibly difficult to get into, even if your concert quality. Juilliard's easier to get into than the Paris Music Conservatory is.
I wanted to go to Juilliard at one
It's a
time.
tough school to get into.
I know.
So, yeah.
And I wanted to sing gospel. But I used to sing the little girls to sleep with the Hud Shuffman.
Oh, yeah.
They love to hear me sing. So I'd go up in the bathroom on the 3rd floor because the vibration was good, the sound was good in there. And I would sing lullabies and sing to the whole cottage. They loved that.
Oh, yeah.
And they would ask me to sing to them, and so I did.
And what puts me to sleep at night is when I play a video of the solemn pontifical high mass from the Basilica of the National Shrine of the Immaculate Conception. I love going to sleep to liturgical Gregorian chant.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.